All right, let's look at the homework 5.1, problem number 6. All right, so we're going to use the definition, which is basically the limit of the right sum, to express the area under the graph going from 0 to pi. All right, so let's do that. All right, so this is going to be, so we're looking at the integral from 0 to pi. And then function is 3 plus sine squared of x with respect to x, right? And this is going to be always a limit sum, so limit as n approaches infinity. And summation is going to go from goes from 1 to n. Right, then you would have f of xi times delta x, right? But here, delta x is easy to find, so delta x is b minus a over n. So b is, in this case, pi, minus a would be 0. Over n. So this is going to be just a pi over n, right? Then xi is simply a plus delta xi, but a is 0, and delta x is a pi over n, and then you have an I, right? So this is going to become limit as n approaches infinity. Summation, n goes from 1 to n. So f of xi, so we're going to put, so this is going to be just going to be a pi over ni. So we have 3 plus sine squared of pi over ni, then multiplied by delta x, which is n over pi over n, sorry. Right, so let's type it in. All right, so we have 3 plus sine squared of pi over ni and times pi over n. Right? Let's check the answer. All right, it came back and looks like we got this one correctly. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.